plastic chair is one of the most common pieces of furniture in the world. They're lightweight, easily stackable, and they're dirt cheap. It's not a wonder how these things have such a global appeal. Even then, the ordinary person wouldn't bat an eye when coming across one. It's just a plain looking chair. What about it? Well, a couple days ago I was searching the internet when I stumbled upon a channel called Brian Ropar's Plastic Chair World, the owner of which is a self-proclaimed plastic chair connoisseur. To think, if you're able to call yourself a plastic chair connoisseur, how many chairs would you expect to own? 5? 10? Maybe 15? 4,000. Brian has over 4,000 chairs in his possession. Indoor, outdoor, school, office, high chairs, benches, anything and everything. He's amassed a collection so immense that he's able to build piles in his yard. In fact, he's made an entire train line of them and has a lot more to spare in his basement. One could even wonder if he's even able to sit on all of those chairs.
Oh yeah, I tell you what. Yep. I definitely sit on all of my chairs. Yep, I sit on all of my chairs.
Huh, apparently he does.